a time-tested treatment with a rich history of use in improving health and well-being. Castor oil is made from the seeds of ricinus communis castor bean plant. Over the years, castor oil has become well known for its potent health effects. We shall learn about the 7 potent advantages of using castor oil in this video. Number 1. Nourishing the skin and fight aging. Prevent aging and nourishing the skin. Castor oil is an excellent natural moisture because of its high amount of holic acid and uncommon fatty acid. This fatty acid promotes the formation of collagen and elastin, which are necessary for keeping the skin looking young. It also deeply moisturizes the skin, leaving it soft and supple. Castor oil is a powerful anti-aging remedy since it helps minimize the appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles. Adding a few drops of castor oil on your face before bed can make a big difference in your skin care regimen over time. You will notice a more youthful looking complexion. 2. Promotes healthy hair growth. Encourages the growth of healthy hair. If you have always wanted long, gorgeous hair, castor oil may be the solution. It has protein, vitamin E, and omega-6 fatty acid that supports healthy hair growth and nourishes hair follicles. Castor oil can be a game changer if you're experiencing hair loss or thinning because of its hair-enhancing benefits. Combining it with a carrier oil such coconut or jojoba oil and massaging the combination into your scalp for at least an hour before washing will help strengthen your hair and lessen breakage, giving you thick, luscious looks. 3. Relieves constipation. Alleviation constipation. Castor oil has a long history of use as a potent laxative. Its primary active ingredient, renic acid, stimulates intestinal contraction to promote evacuation. However, it is important to use castor oil as a laxative gratuitously and only under a healthcare provider's supervision. While castor oil can occasionally relieve constipation, it is important to adhere to the recommended dosage, and excess use can result in dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. 4. Relieves arthritis and joint pain. Relieve arthritis and joint pain when applied topically to affected region. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory qualities provide hope to those suffering from the misery of arthritis and joint pain. Castor oil can both reduce inflammation and relieve pain. Its active ingredient, which include holic acid, which has analgesic and anti-inflammatory qualities, are responsible for providing relief. While applying heated castor oil to itching joints might offer calming comfort, it should be used in conjunction with other pain management techniques rather than as a substitute for medical guidance. 5. Ease the pain of menstrual cramp. Reduce the discomfort of monthly cramps. For many women, the monthly battle against menstruation cramp is a reality. When applied topically, castor oil can help relax the urinary muscle and lessen the severity of cramping. You can use castor oil to ease menstruation pain by warming it up a little and massaging it into your lower abdomen. Applying a hot compress or heating pad to the affected area will enhance its efficiency. This straightforward yet efficient technique can offer much-needed alleviation throughout the menstruation cycle and aid in wound healing, as castor oil has been used historically. 6. Wound healing. Since ancient times, medicinal ingredients like renic acid and antioxidant have been used to treat wounds and reduce inflammation. These aid in the healing process by stimulating tissues regeneration and lowering inflammation. Castor oil forms a barrier to protect the wound and reduce the chance of infection. Additionally, its moisturizing qualities keep the area from drying out, enabling quicker healing. 7. Fight fungal infections. Combat fungus infection, strong antifungal chemicals found in castor oil may be especially useful in the treatment of common fungal illness like ringworm or spot foot. To address fungal infections, apply a small amount of castor oil to the affected area. Its antifungal qualities help to eradicate infection and encourage healing. Keep in mind to practice good hygiene in addition to using castor oil to prevent reinfection. Castor oil is an amazing time-tested natural remedy. Its adaptability and abundance of health advantages make it a valuable addition to your wellness regimen. But it's crucial to take castor oil sensibly and with a doctor if you have any special health issues. You can take proactive measures toward a better, more vibrant experience by using the power of castor oil. I hope you found the information interesting and click the like button, join the channel, turn on notification and tell your friends and family about the video.